Using a pair of wire cutters, cut the white wire and the Aquapod power cord to the desired length. Due to the unavailability of Aquapod power cords, we were unable to use that for this video. Using a pair of wire strippers, remove approximately 1/2 inch of insulation from the blue wire from the power switch, twist the end, then trim 1/2 inch of insulation from the white wire and the Aquapod power cord. Twist the end of the wire, and then twist together with the blue wire from the power switch. Finally, put one closed end connector over the two wire ends and crimp together using a pair of pliers or a wire crimper. Next, take the white wire from one of the pony ballast and match it up with the white wire of the power switch you were previously working on. Match the wires up together and cut the two wires to your desired length. Using a pair of wire strippers, remove approximately 1/2 inch of insulation from both white wires. Next, you will twist both white wires together, slide one closed end connector over the end of the two wires, then with a pair of pliers or crimpers, squeeze the closed end connector over both white wires. Next, take the black wire from the Aquapod power cord and match it up with the black wire of the same ballast you were working on previously. Match the wires up together and cut both wires to the desired length. Note again that in this video, our power cord uses a brown wire as the Aquapod power cord was not available for this video. Using a pair of wire strippers, remove approximately 1/2 inch of insulation from both black wires. Twist both black wires together and slide one closed end crimp connector over the end of the wires. Using a pair of pliers or crimpers, crimp the closed connector in place and tuck the wires away. Repeat the previous procedure for the second power cord and ballast. All wires will be connected in the exact same way as previously. Again, note that the power cord used in this demonstration is not the same as the Aquapod power cord, and the wires will vary as they did in the previous step.